We've been swimming in leaks and renders of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 for a while now, but things just got a lot more real, like actual photos real. Thanks to serial leaker Jukin Losriv over on X, we now have what look like 3 real-life shots of Samsung's upcoming foldable. First up, we get a look at the Z Fold 7 chilling in its box, showing off a slick deep blue finish. This color might be one of the official options and is apparently called Blue Shadow. Classy, right? The front screen is still rocking a protective sticker, which even points out where the sodium tray lies. Handy for folks who don't want to go poking around aimlessly. Next, we peek inside at the inner display, also covered by a protective film, classic pre-release phone stuff. Unfortunately, this shot doesn't give us enough to confirm whether Samsung has bumped the screen up to the rumored 8 inches, or if they finally ditched the under-display camera in favor of a punch-hole cam in the top right corner. If that is the case, it would be a pretty major move. Sure, losing the UDC might make the screen look slightly less seamless, but if it means way better selfies and video calls with the phone unfolded, that's a trade-off most of us can live with. The final image gives us a side profile, showing off more of that bold blue frame, plus a clear view of the SIM tray and speaker cutout. In the background, you can spot the Z Fold 7's box, which has camera-focused branding all over it. Samsung's been hyping up ultra-quality cameras for this one, so it tracks, though don't expect Ultra to be tacked onto the name like with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The best part, we won't have to wait long to get the full scoop. Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner on July 9, where we're expecting to see the Z Fold 7, the Z Flip 7, and the Galaxy Watch 8 officially unveiled. And if you're already sold, Samsung's got a neat little pre-order perk going on. Sign up now and you'll get $50 off just for registering your interest. So, what do you think? Is the Z Fold 7 shaping up to be your next upgrade, or are you still waiting to be convinced? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one. Take care.